Have you ever wondered how yoga can help you lose weight and transform your body? Yoga is not merely a form of exercise, it's a comprehensive approach to wellness. This ancient practice provides a wealth of benefits for weight loss and body transformation. Yoga enhances flexibility, tones muscles, and improves metabolism. It's not just about sweating it out on the mat, but about creating a harmonious balance between mind and body. Dive in with us as we explore specific yoga poses that can help you on your journey to weight loss and body transformation. Starting with the basics, the sun salutations or Surya Namaskars are a great way to kickstart your yoga journey. This series of 12 different postures is a full-body workout that engages your core, arms, legs, and glutes. But it's not just about the physical. It's also a spiritual practice that helps to center your mind and create a sense of balance. Let's break it down. Begin standing tall at the edge of your mat, hands at your heart in prayer position. Inhale deeply and raise your arms over your head, stretching your whole body upwards. As you exhale, bend forward at the hips and reach towards the ground. Inhale again and step back into a plank position. Exhale and lower your body to the mat, keeping your elbows tucked in. Inhale, push your chest forward and up into a cobra pose. Exhale and push back into a downward dog. Finally, inhale and step forward between your hands. Exhale and fold forward, and inhale one last time as you stand up and stretch your arms overhead. Exhale, bringing your hands back to your heart. The sun salutations help to boost your metabolism, improve circulation, and enhance muscle tone. They also help to build heat in the body, aiding in the burning of fat. But remember, it's not about how fast you can go through the sequence. It's about controlled, slow movements and synchronized breathing. So take your time and focus on the quality of your movements and breath. Remember, it's not about speed, but the quality of your movements and breath that makes a difference. Next on our list is the warrior pose, or Virabhadrasana, another effective pose for weight loss. This pose is named after a mythical warrior, Virabhadra, and is designed to bring out the warrior in you. It's all about balance, strength, and endurance. To perform the warrior pose, start by standing tall and straight with your legs wide apart. Turn your right foot outward so your toes are facing the front of the mat. Pivot on your left foot, bringing the heel in line with the center arch of your right foot. Raise your arms perpendicular to the floor and parallel to each other, palms facing down. Bend your right knee, making sure it doesn't overshoot your ankle. Turn your gaze to your right palm and hold this pose while taking deep, steady breaths. The warrior pose is a powerhouse of benefits. It strengthens your shoulders, arms, legs, ankles, and back. It opens up your chest and lungs, improving your breathing capacity. It also works on your balance and stability, and it's a fantastic way to increase your stamina. While in this pose, you will feel your core muscles working hard to maintain balance. This is where the fat-burning magic happens. As you engage your core, you're not only strengthening these muscles, but also promoting weight loss. Consistency is key in yoga. Regular practice of these poses can yield impressive results. Lastly, let's look at the boat pose, or Navasana, a superb pose for strengthening your core and shedding those extra pounds. To perform the boat pose, start by sitting on your mat with your legs extended in front of you. Lean back slightly and lift your legs off the floor, forming a V shape with your body. Extend your arms parallel to the floor, palms facing down. Hold this pose for 5 to 15 breaths, feeling your abdominal muscles engage. The boat pose is like a full-body workout. It helps improve digestion, which is crucial for weight loss. It strengthens your abdominal muscles, enhancing your core stability. But its benefits don't stop there. It also helps enhance your metabolism, burning calories even when you're not practicing yoga. Remember, yoga is about balance, strength, and endurance. Keep practicing, and you'll see the transformation. There you have it, 3 effective yoga poses to help you lose weight and transform your body. Remember, the key is consistency in practice, precision in form, and synchronization in your breathing. These elements are the backbone of yoga and its transformative power. And don't forget, yoga is more than just a physical exercise. It's a holistic approach to well-being. Yoga is a journey, not a destination. Embrace it and watch your body transform. Until next time, namaste.